Now we will see element option in Canva and how we can use it very effectively. If you are a absolute beginner, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So there are lines and shapes, there are graphics, there are gradient stickers, collections, magic recommendations, tables. So first of all, we will introduce each and every kind of elements we can see: photos, videos, audio, using charts, using frames, using grids, and how you can use frames using circular frame, rectangular frame, using letter frame, using uneven frames, and how you can rotate image or video, and inserting image and video, inserting color, adding lines start and line and changing line style and line weight. So there are a lot of things. So first let's see how they look and where they are situated. All these elements are found in elements option of Canva. So first have a look. So we are going to create maybe we can open this post, this design we created. We can close it. Now we will see where all these elements are found and what we miss most frequently. I'll also tell you that. This is on the left hand side. This is the elements option. So here is a search option. You can search elements. First of all, let me clear. Here you can search the element. You can find the suggestions, frame, arrow, line. So we don't want to miss this right arrow. We can keep clicking, and this will give us a lot of idea about frames, gradient, music, location, lines, Instagram, money. Here we can see recently used. So we can scroll here. We can see all the shapes. We can click on see all. So here are different shapes, lines, different shapes we can use. We would also notice that here are the lines and here are the shapes, and on shapes there are three dots, and these three dots we can see information. So here we can see the shape, square, rectangle. We can add this element to the folder. We can also make it favorite by clicking on the star. So this was about the shape. Now we will see graphics. What graphics are available here? Here are magic recommendations. Here are some featured graphics which we can see by clicking on all. Here are some gradients, and gradients are the part of graphics. So we can also use these gradients. These gradients are the part of graphics. And when we will see our designing post, when then I'll show you how each and every single kind of elements sticker can be used differently and why creatively. So here are word stickers, here are arrow stickers. So you can scroll a bit, and these can be used by when we would be editing the videos, right? So this is an introduction about elements. Emoji stickers, there are lot many. Keep scrolling, and you will find a lot many good graphics, right? So here is a live. We can also search, but I want to show you what is available in Canva and what we miss. And we I don't want you to miss a lot of things because we don't usually scroll a lot, but I'll show you that you should scroll a lot. And here are some collections as well: girl power, duo color avatar, pastel travel accessories. So a lot of things. So we have found and explored graphics. Now we will go to AI image generator. Not yet. We will go to stickers. Here are the stickers. I think we have explored it. Here we can see the photos, trending photos. We can search the photos right here. And if we search any photo, I'll show you in that a bit later. There would be a separate video about how to use photos very effectively. Here are the videos. We can see all the videos. Here are audios. Here are charts, tables, frames, grids. So I'll show you how to make use of all these elements: grids, frames, tables, chart, audios, videos, photos, stickers, AI image generator, graphics, shapes, and lines very effectively. So this was the introduction part, that where are these available and what not to miss, right? Thank you so much.